The latest report on Arctic PV from TAS 13 focuses on the challenges and opportunities for PV in the Arctic region. It finds that even though conditions are quite challenging in terms of environmental characteristics and other regional characteristics, that PV can play an important role in delivering the necessary electricity for Arctic communities, and that it can also enhance the energy security of this region. The challenges are mainly related to the local conditions. So it's a region with low solar irradiance and low temperatures, which means that the business case for PV might not be as clear as it is in very sunny regions. And that the low temperatures and, for instance, the high amounts of snow pose specific challenges for PV systems that in some way still need to be solved. We have found that PV can strongly contribute to enhanced energy security in this region. Lots of, especially remote communities, rely on fossil fuels for their electricity needs, and PV can help offset this use of fossil fuels and at the same time enhance energy security. Another reason why deployment of PV in the Arctic region is important is that by improving PV system design and using the right types of modules, we can deal with the low irradiance and still achieve a reasonable electricity generation output from these PV systems there. First of all, it's important to consider the mounting structure. Vertical PV is a very good candidate for Arctic regions because of the low solar elevation angle. Then, since the ground albedo is quite high during large parts of the year due to the snow on the ground, it's very important also to use bifacial modules because they make much more efficient use of the reflected ground light and the high amount of diffuse irradiance. And then finally, for tilted systems and in general, it's important to design the systems in such a way that snow can more easily slide off the PV modules, but also that it doesn't accumulate that close to the PV modules, so that any accumulations of snow are a bit further away from the modules.